Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to turn on notifications in the Bank of America mobile app. First, open your App Store or Play Store and make sure the Bank of America app is updated to the latest version. Next, open the app and log in using your credentials. On the home screen, tap the bell icon at the top right corner. Tap on Settings in the Alerts section. You'll now see different categories like Security, Transactions, and more. Tap a category and toggle on the notifications you want. Just make sure your phone also allows app notifications. And that's it. That's how to turn on notifications in the Bank of America mobile app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.